Okay, this goes out to 6th period for advanced algebra trig. Make sure we have all this stuff down. The first thing we're talking about are the 9 parent graphs. So, on the first one here, Jonah, Mr. Brim, what is the first one? Yes, you are correct. That is absolutely right. That is a diagonal line. It's called a linear function, right? So f of x is equal to x will give you a diagonal line that looks just like this. Good. Okay, over here in the second one. Taylor. Yes, this is a quadratic. Nicely done. Okay, so we have a quadratic function, gives you the shape of a parabola, and it is the f of x equals x squared function. Nicely done. Okay, Paula, what would this one be? Yes, the cubed function. Yes, that's exactly right. F of x equals x cubed, and we're going to call that the backwards s. So it kind of looks like a backwards s if you're looking at it, okay? Or a sideways looking s, right? So that is f of x equals x cubed. That is the cubed function. Okay, Mr. Quinn. Mr. Quinn, what does this look like to you? Yes, this looks like a shark fin, right? But really what we called it, this is the square root function, so it's the red graph right here. So f of x equals the square root of x. The silly name that I'm giving that is calling the shark fin function, so it looks kind of like a shark fin. And if you put some water and stuff into it. So the square root function looks like the shark fin. Okay. The next graph that we're going to do, the next function, is f of x equals 1 over x. So 1 over x is called the reciprocal function. Here is the picture that's associated to the reciprocal function. Okay, and I'm calling this the Hurley graph, because if you've ever seen the Hurley logo, that's like it's a surf company, the Hurley logo. Is anyone wearing any surf gear? Oh, Mr. Quinn. Yes. Oh, your jeans are Hurley jeans. Oh, yes. Nice. Could you show everybody? Could you walk around, just show everybody? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, nice. Yeah, so Mr. Quinn's walking around right now. He's showing everybody his jeans because it has the Hurley symbol and looks strikingly similar to this graph, which is the parent function 1 over x, the reciprocal function. Okay. I don't really have anything spectacular for the absolute value function. It's just an obvious looking v, so I'm going to call that the v graph. So f of x equals absolute value of x is the absolute value function, and it looks like the v graph there. Okay, got 3 more for you. F of x equals e to the x. The graph looks like a skateboard ramp going up, right? From left to right, skateboard ramp going up. This is an exponential growth function. So f of x equals e to the x, exponential growth function. Great. And this one is similar. The next one, f of x equals e to the negative x. Notice you have a negative exponent. Well, the silly name we're going to give that is a skateboard ramp going down, and this represents exponential decay. So the figure looks like a skateboard ramp going down. There you go, like that. Okay, exponential function. And then the last one on here is f of x equals 1 over x squared. And Olivia, what does that look like to you? Yes, a tree trunk. Yes, and here's the picture of the tree that we have. Good. So this is what we call the tree trunk graph. Okay, it is 1 over x squared. Okay, be sure that we can recognize all of the domains and all of the ranges for each of the parent graphs. So I'll leave that up to you. Okay, make sure you can identify all the domains and all of the ranges for each of those parent graphs. Okay, there are 9 parent functions. I'll go over them again real quickly. F of x equals x, the linear function. X squared, the quadratic function. X cubed, the cubed function. The square root of x, the square root function. The Hurley graph, which we're calling the reciprocal function. The absolute value function, which looks like a V. The 2 skateboard ramps, skateboard going up for exponential growth, skateboard going down for exponential decay, and the tree trunk. Those are the 9 family functions that we need to